So what are the best penny stocks to buy on January 16th, 2025? Well, number one recommendation is Biomerica, stock symbol BMRA. It is up today 102% or 35 cents, trading at 70 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded 317 million shares in the first 90 minutes since the market opened. Market cap for the company, though, is only $25 million. So this is obviously a pharmaceutical penny stock because it has the word bio for biology, and it has actually the name America inside of it, and they just made one word out of it, Biomerica, which is I kind of like. So standard story. For the last 6 months, this thing is trading around 25 cents, not going anywhere because they probably don't have anything good to report to the market because they're just in the process of making or developing the medication. So, and as I said before, a lot of people just don't want to risk their money because the chance that you will actually get a commercially viable product and medication, you know, it's kind of slim. So and by the way, you never know when it's going to happen. It might take months to years, but in this case, apparently something happened and they reported great news to the SEC and to the news. And the main thing is that everybody is jumping on that stock. Otherwise, you wouldn't see 318 million shares in trading volume. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look, see what's going on, see what kind of news they released. And, you know, if it sounds okay, maybe put some money into it. So Biomerica, stock symbol BMRA, only 73 cents a share. Next one is AON Biopharma, stock symbol AEON. It is up today 47% or 5 cents, trading at 16 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded 284 million shares in the first 90 minutes. Market cap for the company, though, it's only $20 million. So, same story as with Biomerica. If you see the word bio and pharma in the name of the company, in this case it's Biopharma, it's obviously a pharmaceutical company. So 6 months ago, it is trading at $3 a share. Then they couldn't produce any good results, and the stock collapses all the way to like 10 cents, like from $3 to 10 cents in 6 months. So the company is pretty much dying. Nobody is trading it. Nobody cares about it. However, some kind of news were released today, and suddenly it's one of the hottest stocks on the market. So again, you should probably check it out, see what kind of news they released, and you know, if it sounds good, then maybe put some money into it. One thing, why I prefer this company over Biopharma, because Biopharma right now, after its jump to like 70 something cents, it is trading at 6-month high, which is kind of dangerous because if something goes wrong, the stock could collapse. However, in this case, if you decide to pull the trigger and buy it at 15 cents a share, I mean, you're still buying it at pretty much 6-month low. And considering that this stock used to trade at $3 and it goes back to those levels, you could make 2,000% on that stock if you buy it for 15 cents and sell it for $3. So that's kind of amazing. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look and maybe put some money into it. So AON Biopharma, stock symbol AEON, only 15 cents a share. Next one is DATChat, stock symbol DATS. It is up today 62% or $2.73, trading at $6.97. Since this morning, it already traded 53 million shares. Market cap of the company, though, is roughly $40 million. So this company was on my show already at least like 3 or 4 times. For a long time, this stock was really kind of like a dead in the water stock. Nobody was trading it. It was basically hovering around like $1 or $2, and nobody saw the future. However, some kind of news they started to release about a week ago, and the stock shot up from $2 all the way to like $9. So it went up like 4.5 times, or 450%. However, it couldn't sustain this high price, and it collapsed back to like $4. So from that point on, the stock became very jerky. So they're releasing some kind of news, the stock goes up on a huge volume, everything is great, then it collapses again. So today is one of those days. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look, see what's going on there, why in the last several days this stock was being, you know, pulled up and down by like, you know, 100, 200, 300% in one day, and then it just goes up and down. So this time, you know, we're up, but who knows if we're gonna stay at this level. So definitely take a look, see what's going on there. But it sounds kind of intriguing because it has the word chat in it, and the other famous company we have is GPT Chat. So maybe it's some kind of AI or artificial intelligence stock, so who knows. But take a look and maybe put some money into it. So that chart, stock symbol DATS, only $6.85 a share. Next one is Flexible Solutions International, stock symbol FSI. It is up today 50%, or $1.85, trading at $5.55. Since this morning, it already traded 11 million shares. Market cap for the company, though, is about $100 million. So, not sure what this company does, but 6 months ago, it used to trade at like $2. And then it was building kind of like a bullish trend. It was kind of slow, but in 6 months, it went from $2 to $5.50 right now. And the latest push happened actually today. So even though it was kind of growing over the last 6 months, but the trading volume was very light, like almost nothing, no shares were traded, which is kind of like a disadvantage for buyers, because that means that not a lot of people know about the stock. And if that's the case, then it would be hard to push it high, because you need a lot of people aware of the stock and actually willing to buy it to create the buying pressure. But I think everything changed today, because some kind of news were released, and suddenly the stock that was barely trading 100 shares a day suddenly is trading 12 million shares a day with a nice pop of 53%. So take a look, see what's going on there, and maybe put some money into it. So Flexible Solutions International, stock symbol FSI, only $5.60 a share. Next one is Wheeler Real Estate Investment Trust, stock symbol WHLR. It is up today 31%, or 74 cents, trading at $3.09. Since this morning, it already traded 74 million shares. Market cap for the company, though, is roughly $10 million. So I mean, this is a real estate investment trust, and maybe this is one of those cases when the fires in Los Angeles, you know, the ones that burned a lot of houses, like 12,000 structures, 10,000 homes, maybe it's creating some kind of pressure on the real estate companies, in a sense that now they could rent their houses, their apartments at much better rates, and actually achieve 100% occupancy, which is very important in this business. So maybe this is what's happening with this company. But again, if I were you, I would need to take a look and see exactly what's going on there, what kind of news they're releasing, and maybe if it sounds good, then maybe put some money into it. So Wheeler Real Estate Investment Trust, stock symbol WHLR, only $3.07 a share. So just remember, it's called real estate investment trusts or